connect to the GFade. Connected, and we're going to go to its IP address at 4.3.2.1. And we want to use some custom animations, so let's create a couple custom animations. Let's make a new animation. Let's call this Quick Start 1. Okay. And we're going to make this super easy. We're just going to do like a basic, you know, whatchamacallit, one of these for whatever, let's say 30 seconds. Let's keep them next to each other. Let's go like this. Then we're going to go put another one right here, like so. Bink. And we're going to run this one up this way and run this one out this way. So you have sort of a up-down chase. Oh, that looks pretty good. I like it. Let's hit play and just see how it goes for us. You can see it playing back over here. And I'm thinking to myself, that's pretty good, knowing we can adjust the speed of it in the playlist, right? We don't want all this blank space over here, so I'm just going to say trim to fit. Now it's just got that pattern. Save. That's it. Custom pattern done. Go back to animations, make a new animation. We're going to call this Quick Start 2. And this time, let's say I want to do some flashing on channels 1 and 2, for example. Let's just go 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to want to run this through 20 seconds. Sure, why not? And we want it to flash kind of fast, so I'm going to change this, the number of times on off to more than that. That's actually not that fast. Let's double that. It's going to be almost like a strobe. Let's get crazy. Okay, sure, that sounds good. And then I'm going to do some ramp ups on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Like long ramp ups. Let's do that. Let's do some long ramp ups, like the whole 20 seconds, just for fun. So we'll go like this. And we'll run that down these 4. Okay, there you go, done. Again, you can hit play to see what it's going to look like for yourself. You know, there they are, first 4 flashing on and off, and then 5, 6, 7, 8 ramping up. We can adjust the speed in the playlist. Of course, we're going to cut the timeline down by doing time to fit. Done. Save. Okay, now let's make our third custom animation. Let's call this Quick Start 3. And this one, I don't know, let's do some twinkle on 1. Yeah, we're going to make this one a little crazy. Let's do this for like 10 seconds. Why not? And let's tell it we want it, I don't know, 50% brightness. Sure, sounds good. We're going to copy this one down across all of them. We're going to shift it a little bit because that seems like it could be interesting. Maybe we want to pull the whole thing in a little bit. Let's go to 5, right? Okay, sure, why not? And then let's turn all the channels on just for fun right at the end of that twinkle sequence. So they're all going to twinkle in a funny, weird way. Then we're going to just fire everything on. Then we're going to turn everything, wait, get rid of that one, delete, delete. Then we're going to fade them out right after that. And let's make it like a little bit longer of a fade. Like, I don't know, we're going to 15 seconds. Sure, sounds good. And then we're going to slide that down over all of them. So there you go, custom sequence where you know we want trim to fit. Done, and you can play if you want to. And sort of see everything sort of twinkling like that. And then it's just all going to go bam on for a second. And then it's all going to fade out. Awesome, looks great. We're going to save that. Now we want to quickly build our schedule. So we're going to go home. We're going to use a schedule. We're going to get rid of all this other stuff that's in here now. We're going to say we want Quick Start 1, add, Quick Start 2, add, Quick Start 3, add. I want this to run from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Where is 11 p.m.? Let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Well, let's just go 7 days a week. Why not? The order is fine. We put them in the right order. We could speed them up, right? So this one was kind of slow. We know that. So let's just go ahead and make this one like 250%, way faster. And this one was kind of slow too. Let's make it whatever, 175%. And this one will go maybe a little faster just for fun, not that fast. And that is all, right? So that's it. Now disconnect, and your schedule is ready to roll just like that. So I'm going to disconnect just to follow through with everything. Go back to my regular network and verify that by loading our Mighty Fine website here. That's it. Plug all your lights in, and your 3 custom animations will be running. Easy peasy.